Tapos na po ako dun sa selling phase natin. So I'm looking for opportunities to buy now. Bakit po? Ito lang, Wednesday, Thursday lang. Nung nakita ko tong drop ng Nasdaq na to, this is Nasdaq, the red one. Lalim, hindi pa gumagalaw si Bitoy Naipit pa si Bitoy sa taas. Si Bitoy nasa 70, nasa 83 pa nga last time eh. So, I compared the chart of Bitcoin and Nasdaq. Tinignan natin. Pareha sila halos dito. They almost move in lock, na lock-in step. Nagkakita ako ng clue. Sabi ko, wala akong nakita na bumagsak ang US stock market nang hindi bumagsak si Bitcoin. It's just a matter of time for me. So, I'm happy. Kasi makabili na naman tayo. So, this time, if this is a mid-cycle dip, I want to participate. So, I decided over the weekend, contemplate ako, sige, I will participate in this mid-cycle. Come to Tito. Bibili ako. Diba? Patience is the key. Ngayon, saan tayo ngayon mag-aabang? Saan ka ngayon pwede bumili? Yun ang tanong. So, looking at the chart of Bitcoin, ay na natin si Toybits. Ay, mamaya ko nabalikan si Nasdaq. Meron akong pinlat dito na monthly chart. This is the monthly chart of Bitcoin. Itong area po na to, yung 74, all the way to this area. Ito po, yung body nitong candle na to noong October 2021, yung body. Kinonek ko lang po yan. So, malapad to. This is around 61 to about 74 area. So, possible na itong area po na yan, dyan ang salukan for the mid-cycle dip. This is, sabi mo na 60 to 75. Nandyan yung area na posible ka sumalak for this mid-cycle dip. This blue line, nitipay sa monthly, this will act as your support. So, maybe in this area, around 65 ito. 64, 65, makakita ka na ng bounce dyan. Kung tagusin man yan, you will never close on a monthly below this. Pwedeng weekly mag-close, pwedeng daily mag-close, but on a monthly, pwedeng hugutin yan. Technical-wise, So, anything inside this box, for me, is a buy. Dito ako mag-start mag-DCA. Start mag-DCA, hindi po all-in ha. Hindi pag tama dyan, all-in ka na kagad. Ngayon, Tito, sure ba yan na babagsak yan? Hindi po. Wala pong guaranteed dito sa market. Wala pong guaranteed dito sa market. Lahat po yan ay probability. We're using technical analysis to look at chances based on our method, based on our system, to look at probabilities. Wala pong certainty dito sa market. So, isa pa pong inaantay ko is